Hello, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Samanip Kaur. So let's do subject maths of 5th class. Let's start exercise 10.2. Here first, the following pictograph represent the number of boys of section A, B, C, D of 5th class during sessions 2014 to 15 and 2015 to 16. So you can see in first column we are given class 5 section A, B, C, D. In second column we are given 2014 to 15 session number of boys. In section A 20, section B 15, section C 25 and section D 20, and total number of boys are 80. Similarly, in third column we are given session 2015 to 16 number of boys are 25. In section B 20, in section C 30 and in section D 20, total number of boys are 95. So we are given the hint one picture is equal to 5 boys. Now let's answer some questions. In which session number of boys are more in section A? So you can see 2015 to 16 session we have more boys. Second, the number of students of section D are 20 in 2014 to 15 and 2015 to 16. So they both are equal. Third, find the total number of boys in 2014 to 15. So we have 80. Fourth, find the difference in number of boys of section C during both sessions. So here the difference is 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. Fifth, how many more less boys are there in 2015-16 than in 2014-15 session? So you can see the difference 95 minus 80 is equal to 15. Second, the following two bar graphs represent the maximum temperature of 4 cities in 2 different days. 4 cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Here we are given 2 bar graphs. You can see first question, which city is the hottest on June 1st? So you can see in June 1st the longest pole is blue colored, which is Jaisalmer. Second, which city is the coldest on December 1st? You can see on December 1st in second bar graph you can see the green colored pole is the smallest, which is Shimla. Third, what is the difference in Delhi's temperature on June 1st and December 1st? You can see in June 1st Delhi shown in yellow color, which is 33 degree, and in second bar graph December 1st Delhi is up to 23 degrees Celsius. So difference is 33 degrees Celsius minus 23 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Fourth, what is the difference in Shimla's temperature on June 1st and December 1st? You can see on June 1st temperature of Shimla is shown in green color, which is 22 degrees Celsius, and on December 1st it is shown in green color 10 degrees Celsius. So difference 22 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 12 degrees Celsius. Fifth, which city has the lowest change in temperature on June 1st and December 1st? So you can see the Bangalore, which is shown in red colored, has the lowest change. Next, third, study the following bar graphs carefully. So let's study it. So here we are given first question, what information is provided by the above bar graph? So answer is number of students participating in different games. Second, which game is played equally by students of 3rd and 4th class? So answer is football. You can see in the bar graph what is the total number of students of 3rd and 4th class who play Kho-Kho. So here 3rd Kho-Kho students are 15 and in 4th class students are 35. So total 15 plus 35 gives us 50 students. Fourth, what is the total number of students of 3rd and 4th class who play basketball? So here 25 plus 20 gives us 45 total students. Fifth, which is the favorite game of 3rd class student? You can see the longest pole is football in 3rd class. Sixth, what is the favorite game of 4th class students? So you can see in 4th class longest pole is green colored, which is Kho-Kho. Now let's do MCQs. Here we are given some data in tabular form. First, which day is the hottest? So here answer is option C, Sunday. Second, which day is the coldest? So here option B, Tuesday. Third, what is the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature? So here difference is
7 degrees Celsius.
Fourth, which 2 days are equally hot? So here answer is option A, Thursday and Saturday. Now next, MCQs. Reading this bar graph, we have to answer. First, how many runs were scored by the player in 2016? So answer is option B, 400. You can see the longest pole is red colored, which is up to 400. Second, in which year the player scored the least runs? So here the smallest pole is green colored, which is 250. So it is in year 2015. So option C is the right option. Next, what is the difference of highest and the lowest run scored by the player? So here difference is 400 minus 250, which is equal to 150 answer. How many total runs he scored in 4 consecutive years? So here sum of all the runs is, you can see 350 plus 250 plus 400 plus 300 is equal to 1300. So option C is the right option. So we have done this lesson. Thank you so much for watching.